going to be showing you how to do a chain in crochet. Now to start with, pick up your wool and you're going to wrap it around your 2 fingers. You're then going to put the wool through the loop you've just created, and then you're going to pull both ends together, keeping hold of that wool you've just pulled through. Now you're going to get your crochet hook and put it through that loop, and then pull both ends of the wool, and that has created a slip knot on your crochet hook. Now the next stage is to start making your chain. Now to do this, you're going to grab the ball end of the yarn and you're going to put that over and under your crochet hook, and then you're going to pull through the loop. So I'll just repeat that for you. So you're going to put it over and under and then pull through the loop, and that has created 2 chains. Now if you keep repeating this, you're going to make another chain, and you just repeat this until you have the desired number of chains on your crochet hook. So I'm going to do 20. And now, here you can see I have got a chain on my crochet hook, all ready to begin crocheting. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my channel and subscribe, and please come back for more crochet tutorials. Bye!